How to create an email campaign in Wix. Wix email marketing tutorial. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we will be talking about, or all what we're going to be talking about is how we will be able to have email marketing on our Wix websites. Now, as you can see right now, I'm currently on my Wix, and what we're going to do is we're going to simply click on email marketing dashboard. Now, if you're wondering how you will be able to get to this page that I'm currently viewing, you can easily find it under or inside the dashboard itself. The process that or the starting point that we're having right now, just a bit of a shortcut, but you can easily find it under your default dashboard and simply look under marketing over here. And this is the email marketing of Wix, and we will be showing you how to set this up. As you can see right now, we have different options over here. We have an option to send a newsletter template, if you could use this if you want. You have share news and updates template and give nutrition tips update or template. Now these templates are specifically designed for these purposes over here, but they're not limited to those. You can choose any of this template and use it for any purpose that you want. You're not really limited to that. Or you could start from scratch as well. So for us, let's go try out the newsletter over here. So let's simply click on edit template. And over here, just like with their website creation, you will be able to easily modify and change different parts of your website, or rather email campaign. Over here on the left side, you have your add elements. You could add text, image, button, divider, HTML, columns, logo, and many more. You could also add themes. Over here, change the different themes of your email campaign. Over here, you have a lot of different themes that you could choose from. You could change the background color if you want to have some texture. You could add that as well, as you can see here. Or you could have solid colors if you want. And you could also ask AI to generate your email for you, or as you can see here, AI email generator that you could generate, and many more. So basically, similarly with how you create your website with Wix, doing it with the email creator over here, or email campaign editor, it's very simple. So right now we have this set up. So for example, I want to add an image. Dragging it into the specific area that you want it to be added is going to be very easy. Now, as you can see, I see this section over here. So it's going to ask us to upload an image, since the one that I chose is an image. So let's select a random image for now that we could add to it to page. And there we go. So depending on the type of element that you're going to drag into, there will be some different pop-ups to like help you assist. But different, as you can see, we added a divider as well. We could add some different design to the divider, which is really great. Then we could apply if we're satisfied with that. We could add buttons if you want. There we go. And then we could modify where this button goes to. As you can see here on the left side, you have URL, document, or any form that you want. You could also change the font. You could change the border width, the shape of the corners, stuff like that. All of those different things. It is completely possible for you to do. There's a lot of customization available for you here, and you can easily apply that. And then you could also add HTML. As you can see here, you could easily drag it just like that. If you have your own HTML code that you have, you could easily put some customized code over here. This is very useful if you're trying to add like a snippet into your email campaign, or if you want, or if you have another content from another platform that you want to implement here as well. You could use HTML for that as well. You could also add some logos or like subscribe over here to your email campaign, which is really great. And now, after creating your design, you can also change the content, by the way, by simply selecting the part that you want to change, then simply doing whatever, or typing whatever section that you want to modify. So if you're satisfied with the design of your email campaign, you can easily click on next over here. So the next step is adding your recipient. So depending on who is in your contacts, so you can easily manage your contacts over here. I can't open that, so I guess we could click manage contact over here. You could add different contacts that you have. Either you add them manually, or if you already have a list of contacts that you have, you could easily add that as well. So let's go back. Right now, you simply select the people or the contacts that you want to send the form to, your email campaign. Simply select the person that you want to send it to, and simply click on next. And then after that, you will receive a campaign overview over here, basically telling you like the subject line, the sender details, the email recipient, all of those stuff. You could modify the subject line. So for example, our subject line for today is like check out our new update today, and something like that. Or you could go with view the new items, meaning in that. Depending on what you're trying to promote, depending on the purpose of the campaign, depending on what your website is about, you could change the subject line to whatever you want it to be. There's also a preview text over here that you could have. So let's say, check it out now. Don't miss your chance. Something like that. Click on save. And now we have our subject line over here. Then we could click on manage sender details over here. You can change the sender name and the reply to email. Then you have your recipient over here. You could modify the recipient once again if you want. But we could go back. And you can also send a test email over here. You can see here, you can send an example email. So if you have a dummy email that you're not using, you could send a test email to them. As you can see, you could select the subject as well, and the from, and the other stuff as well. So the test email will allow you to see if the design is properly implemented, or the output that you want to happen is actually happening, all of those stuff. So basically the design or test email is to ensure that your output is quality, and the output or the email that you have created is performing as you intended. So you can either send now to the recipients that you have selected, or you could schedule it to another date that you want. So for example, you want to schedule it to be sent on an end date. For example, you want it to be sent on that at the end of the month. You could have that as well. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.